down at floor level, it'll probably turn out better. I should have looked.
Okay. Lights flashing. What's that mean?
Recording. Alright. We're playing with blocks, the Grammy block for Trevor.
Trevor?
Look up here, Trevor.
Look.
Yeah.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah. I'm playing with some blocks.
Look at you. Can you build something with those?
Look over here, Trevor.
Trevor?
Yeah.
Look at that. What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you make a building? Trevor, look over here.
Trevor, he's looking at Cosmo. There's Cosmo.
Let's look at Cosmo. There's Cosmo. There's just a real quick look at Cosmo. What are you doing? Can you make noise with those? See what you can do, Trevor.
Yeah.
Look at you.
Yeah.
Wow.
Making some noises.
Well, Daddy says it's time to eat, so should we stop?
Okay.
Say goodbye, Trevor.
Over and out.